Hello everyone and welcome back. Now today we're in the cottage. We're going to be working on the floor and I haven't been in here for a week. I've had to take it easy. A few injuries, niggling injuries, you know how they are. You have to rest up. But back today and I come in, I sat down and then all of a sudden an idea popped into my head like it does. And I thought, well, that is the solution for my problem. And I think it works. Let me explain, just here. So initially we had a band of these tiles running along there. I changed them, swapped them out for these ones. And I was looking at these. Now normally, maybe I'll just cut these in half, these tomettes, but I haven't got any. The only ones I've got are too thick and they're slightly different. So I was looking at it and I thought, you know what about I'll just insert those along there. It mirrors that side, it picks up with the border, kind of makes it a little bit deeper as well. So that's what I'm going to do. If I've got enough, I'm going to lay those in there. What a great idea. Why didn't I think of that ages ago? Sometimes you have to have a bit of time off to come back with fresh eyes, don't you? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get those set in and then we're going to continue pointing down the other end. But now the question is, do I have enough? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I must be able to find 7. I know. There's one in the bucket there for sure. Okay, fingers crossed. Okay, I'm too short. I've got some breakages, but I'd rather, because it's a focal point, to find some full ones. Now there is one other place we can look. Follow me. I'm kind of hoping, where I originally lifted them up from, the pathway area, that there might be a few in there. Fingers crossed. Now I was a little bit naughty last week when I was meant to be resting. It kind of put me back a few days, to be honest with you. This area here, there was a massive big conifer, really wide, and swallowed up this whole area. But Tom helped me, which enabled us to clear pretty much all of this. And it really has opened up another little garden. And I forgot how nice this wall was. There's some beautiful big stones in here. It was a project I started probably 10 years ago, and then before you know it, yeah, the tree had grown and kind of forgot all about it. This area yonder, I mean, I've developed it and changed it, but this was where they milked the cows. Yeah, it was like a little dairy shed. Beautiful stonework, as we say. Now the reason why I know that, several reasons really. The most important reason was I asked one of the relatives that used to live here. She said yes, that's where they used to milk the cows. But also, before I spoke to her, I'd found out that once I dug down, there was like a crisscross of little cobble stones. I think they were cement, I'm not quite sure. But it was so the cows had, you know, a bit of grip when they walked in and out. It wasn't just a flat, slippery surface. So that normally indicates it's either horse or cattle. And it was cows in this case. But I'm going slightly off the subject, so let's see if we can find those tiles. Oh, no, yes, no, that's a shame. There's been so many leaves on the bay tree. Aha! Oh look, and there's 2. Exactly what I need, save me using the broken ones. Right, let's give these a clean up. I think that's got me out of jail. So I do plan to develop this area, and Tom had a good suggestion. This It's a concrete ring that I filled the bottom in, and it's watertight. We used it to pump water out the well into. He said, why don't we turn that into a little mini fish pond as a feature? And I thought, you know what, that's a great idea. So we're going to be doing that in an upcoming video once the weather's on our side. There's something that I want to do around the sides of the concrete to make it look a little bit more period, like an old well. We've got a beautiful old pump there, hand pump, that's bronze. That'll look great. Plant it all up nice, you know, and this is the first thing we see when we come out of our front door. And just under here we've got a well, stone lined well, goes down about 10-12 metres, and we've got our own source of water. Initially that was the only source of water for the cottages, but we've got mains water now, but it's still a handy addition for the garden. Yeah, that's going to work. What do you think? So the next job is to make sure that they all sit below the tile surface of the one next to it. I'm pretty pleased with that. Time to point it up.
Sean's doing it.
Apparently you meet the line.
Oh, that looks nice.
Got the foreman in. So, what do you think?
I think you're doing a brilliant job. It looks absolutely lovely.
Yeah, I had a bit of a mini brainwave. With these tiles here, I was going to cut these tomettes, wasn't I? Well,
yes.
I haven't got enough of them.
No.
So I had a little count up. I thought, well, yeah.
That looks good. It does. It's really nice.
Just doing these
Really?
briquettes. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think, Titch?
Rough, rough.
Rough. He said it's dog rough.
She?
She, sorry.
She's a girl.
The little girl, yeah. Hello. Hello. Good girl.
Can't go down on the floor, Titch, because the lime will burn your feet.
Yes.
You haven't got shoes on like we have.
Right, I'll be in for a cup of tea in a minute.
Okay, I've just made some biscuits. If you want the recipe, go over to my channel.
Yeah.
And I'll make you a cup of tea and you can have it with those bickies.
Okay.
Come on, Titch. Let's put the kettle on.
Good idea. Ah, that's better. A nice hot cup of tea and a warm biscuit. She can cook, for sure. Sometimes too good. Couldn't stop eating them. Right. I've just got to finish pointing this area off here. That's another section pointed up. They're really looking great. They really do pop, don't they? That's looking good. Brilliant. Yep, pleased with that. So pretty much that end is kind of pointed up. So I think with the remainder I've got in the bucket, we'll just finish this little course off here. That'll square us off nicely with the edge of the fireplace. Now these have got to be cleaned up. Yeah. I'll do that another day. Well, I feel I've made some real progress today. Yeah, well pleased with that. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye for now.